What's going on, everyone? I came out here on this very chilly November day to do a quick update video for my Mississippi River trip, and this one's going to be a gear video. You know, I believe it or not, I'm always trying to improve my video making and editing abilities, and there was one thing that I just could not get over on my trip, and that was the ability to get above the trees on the river and do some filming. So with that, the new tool is right here in front of you. So hopefully this will give me the ability to get above the trees and get some of that footage that you otherwise wouldn't be able to see. So I'm very excited to have this new tool. It's the Parrot anafi. This thing does all kinds of different cool things. It's going to get me all the footage that, you know, I mean, really I could only dream of, much more than just being on the boat. So I'm going to be able to do flight plans, or I'm going to be able to program in what I want the drone to do. I can just I have all kinds of ideas on what I would like to do, so this is going to be just awesome. So I can't wait to get this footage out there and man, just get those awesome shots for you guys. So please stay tuned and please subscribe so you don't miss out on the trip and the different things I have planned for it. I can't wait. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.